Hello, hello, hello. So this weekend is all about charcoal making. Everyone is felling trees as we speak, and we're going to chop them up to about, I'd say 90 centimetres. Then what we're doing is put them in a barrel and we are going to cook them. Look, stay tuned and I'll show you the process.
Try not to go too far and over strike. Or if you go close, obviously it's going to spin round. Make sure that you're well out this way. So when you go this way, so that's when you're swinging back. Yeah, you swing like that. Okay, so try not to put this tree forward. Okay?
I didn't even make a dent.
Hit it! Yes. Hit it! That's it.
A little bit of normal. If you can, you could drop your right hand down a little bit, so you've got a bit more swing on it.
Yeah, and use the weight of the axe.
Push it against the grain. Just going slightly that way will cut along the grain a little bit more, so it'll actually cut into it or dig into it a little bit more. But be careful that if you miss, you don't swing around and hit your foot or anything like that. Okay?
You're going to cut down, so we cut down inwards like that. Yep. And then that horizontal one, split the chips out. That.
Come on.
A bit more of an angle.
Hit it.
That's it.
Well in. Get your hanger out, imagine it's my head like you broke my rib last night. I know.
That's it.
Bobbing and weaving.
That's it. And then come in horizontally, just clear them out.
Like.
Yeah, perfect. That's it. And then you can come back in. The more you cut, it's going to go that way.
Yeah.
And we leave that bit that's called the hinge. Because if it was a live tree, the hinge would allow it to steady on control. Because this is dead standing, so you're still coming down at horizontal. Try and come down a bit more of an angle. There you go.
Timber!
Hey!
Well done.
Well in, Jenny.
Spot on. Spot on. So that hinge there, that's pretty much perfect. So that hinge stops that whole tree bouncing back that way, going into you. Alright, it guides it forward. The reason it went that way and not that way is because it's off that stick, it's just curve around there.
So I went and got a load of like trees.
I'll give it that. All done, mate, all ready to go. But I don't know what I'm doing.
You're rugby.
You're happy you felled your first tree?
Yeah.
Fucking Mujahideen Mark's back.
Oh, we're not down.
Charcoal making with the team. Love this little camera. Jenny?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it down and go through it. So that's it, isn't it? That's it. Everyone hard at work and I'm watching them. I broke a rib. Look at Mark. Marcus. And we've got Mark doing all the work and I'm watching.
That's it. And we all up together.
And big whack.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And again.
Do that again.
Go on, you do it.
Balancing it takes a bit of effort. Yeah, it takes a bit of practice.
You've got a brace on it. That's it there.
That's it.
That's it, Jenny.
Another 2 of those, I reckon.
Hit it.
Go on, belt it. You're not belting it.
Big whack, big whack.
Hold on. Let me get some. My hand's too close.
Okay.
Right, John, take control, mate.
Hold him up, Johnny.
Yeah.
Everybody, been tipped. Been tipped over. Look. So your hand on it, but they're just kind of trying to hold it.
Right, it will settle. Look at that. Right then, get the spade and some sand. Go in here. We'll be blocking the vents.
Super slow-mo written all over it, that. Well, with the six pole in. I get some sand.
Sandman.
Yeah, I'm the sand man.
Bring it over his.
Sand lady. Sand lady.
Oh!
You'll put me off. So in those bits, yeah?
Just right round, apart from the pipes, literally all the way round now. This one, whatever it was you were going to prop these up with.
They were there.
So just there, yeah?
No, just put it down. Just put it down there. Load it down. This one seems to be staying up, right?
Keep it going. Another one in the middle. No, we've got the poles, haven't we? The pipes. That's what I do for that one.
Ah, so
Big ganja pipe.
Put your
Then come on.
So we started on kit for the 9 days, the DC9, DC4 and some
Right, that's me now, just getting in the van, having a little breather. But so far we have got 3 big drums. We've got hazel in one, beech in the other, and mixed wood in the 3rd drum, and we are cooking it all now. And we're going to cook for about 6-7 hours, put the fires out, seal all the oxygen holes. Then tomorrow morning, when all the wood has cooled down, we're hopefully going to have decent bits of coal. But yeah, keep watching, stay. Right, so this is the 3 drums. We've got one with mixed wood in, which is cooking, as you can see. And we've got beech. And we've got hazel. And hopefully in the morning we'll have some good charcoal. But it's looking good so far. A lot of smoke coming out of it, innit?
So it's supposed to like in the blue.
Yeah, yeah.
There's got to be some sort of comedy thing to it. There you go. We're all going to get high tonight. Big marijuana.
Right, we'll go and see the team. TV setup, watching the rugby. Let's go and see the site.
So everyone's aware of the process that we carried on from yesterday, right? Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll get 3 volunteers, basically 2 people to tilt it. 1 person, because we haven't got anything large enough to kind of capture any spillage, so shovel or nothing. So 2 people that are going to tilt it, do it nice and quick. 1 person with a shovel straight underneath, follow the barrel up, try and keep a lot of it in there. Upside down nice and quick. And the 2 people that have tilted it, ideally if you can, sort of sprinkle it in a long line so we can see the sort of stages of burn. Yeah? Or anyone with gloves, it might be worth it. Shovel duty.
Somebody's taking all the metal.
Someone,
Marcus one.
2 people on tipping duty. Nice bit of communication. Nice quick roll.
Yeah, stop it off.
Right, I didn't lose a great deal there, so that's fine. Right, and then Marcus and Irish, if you want to bring that over here, basically just walk down the line, sprinkle it, roll it.
Got more in there, guys.
You see the biofuel, the last stuff, that's the sort of stuff that you've been losing in the riddle, or the giant sieve. You see a lot of this is still brown, so that would be moving on to your next stage, but you can see where it's sort of starting to go, that's not quite there. Stuff like this, still pretty brown on the inside. It's not a massive amount that's in this. That not too bad. Ideally, you want it to do that. You want to just be able to just sort of roll it, twist it.
Oh, there is
that
some.
is golden. That stuff. Take that, pass it around. You can see the concentric rings. So a lot of this is pretty good. Burns would normally go on for, I mean, on a larger scale, so 36 to 48 hours. As I think we're all aware that this probably would have been better on a 12-hour burn. And I think based on how many browns we've got here, 12-hour burn probably would have been sufficient to get most of, if not all of this up to scratch. Yeah, this stuff would be used as the sacrificial stuff. I mean, the stuff that's brown, stuff further toward the top. Nice and quick, guys, yeah? Nice quick roll. Cracking teamwork. Right, it's all soaking up moisture in a minute. Chuck it on there.
No, the last one was the mix.
It's like a restaurant grade, that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 30.
I'm going to go a little bit towards you.
I think we're going to cover people on it.
I'll lift it under, sorry.
Yeah.
Ready? I'll pull it over. Ready? What are you doing?
Well, I thought maybe one person with a shovel, like stand there, and then try and use this to just try and touch.
So you just want me to pull this over?
Slide it under a bit as you lift it.
One,
But then lift shovel
two,
as well.
3.
Oh, or not.
He did that.
No, look, we can still save it. We needed somebody with a shovel as well.
You have the shuffle in your hands.
Yeah, but I have to. That's why I can slide the top. We can still save it.
Choco. Ish. Yes.
Right, so that's 3 boxes of charcoal done. We've done one with hazel, one with beech and one with mixed. So, good weekend. Now time for a bacon butty.
Roll it round the. Roll it round.
Pigs in blankets.
Which one are you going to? Not next week then. Sunday night, guys.
I've kind of accepted fate. You know, I've done everything I can. I've improved as much as I can. So, what else is it?
You can do that as long as you bring
Sausages, chocolate.
That is the end of the weekend, making charcoal. Me and Jenny are back to the van, packing all our kit away, and that's us going to head back to Plymouth. Thank you very much for tuning in, and make sure you all subscribe to my YouTube.